Grüß Sie, ich bin hier und sind wir mit der Frau Doreen. Frau Doreen war jetzt die 14 Tage aus Deutschland bei uns in Nicaragua zur Behandlung. Ihre Grunderkrankung, man nannte das Morbus Bechterew, Bechterews Disease. Und Doreen, was hatten Sie für Probleme gehabt? Es hat vor ca. 3-4 Jahren angefangen. Sie waren in verschiedensten Kliniken in Deutschland.
Also angefangen hat es im Beckenbereich, dann ist es gewandert halt im ganzen Körper, hat Füße, Beine, Hände, eigentlich da so die ganzen Extremitäten betroffen.
Doreen, she was diagnosed about 3-4 years ago in Germany with Morbus Bechterew, Bechterews disease. This is so-called autoimmunologic disease, completely wrong. This is always due to Lyme borreliosis. So, she was treated in Germany, unfortunately with cortisone. Nothing got better, everything got worse. She had problems, particularly in the back down here. She had problems in the knees, in the feet, and in all the extremities. And what was worse as well, she could supposedly, she was allergic to a number of antibiotics, particularly to amoxicillin, which is a very good antibiotic for the treatment of Lyme borreliosis. In the meantime, she can use any kind of antibiotics, and she has improved about 30%, just only after 10 days treatment. And we are just at the beginning. The treatment will last 3 to 4 months. Thank you very much.
Thank you.